All right, today we're gonna bring some pads, and these absorbent pads, they're pretty long. Now these are perfect for those that are bedridden, or maybe have a elderly that needs to be monitored and make sure that you have something to absorb any kind of liquids. Or if you have a pet, you can also use this. Children, this is absorbent, and they use these in the hospital, and both sides are the same. And we're gonna test it out, see how absorbent it is. All right, you get a bunch of them, you get 25 of them in a package, but they're huge, they're really long, so a lot of space. You could cover somebody's body in here, including children or an adult. Like I said, you could use it for other things too. If you throw liquid on the floor, you could absorb the liquid too. But today we're going to test it out with some color dyes, make sure it doesn't go through. So let's go ahead and do the test. Here's our test that we're going to actually put some napkins here. We're going to change the color on the actual water and liquid, and then throw it into the pad. So let's go ahead and put the pad on. All right, so we're going to stretch this out anywhere we want over the napkins. All right, want to make sure that it doesn't penetrate. And let's go ahead and put some liquid and put it all over the place. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here we have some water and dye. All right, we're gonna go ahead and spill some all over the place and make sure it doesn't penetrate. So I'm gonna start here, showing you guys how much it absorbs, and if it goes through the bottom of it. Look at this, doesn't even, so it absorbs immediately all over the place. Look at that, doesn't even spill. Like on this edge right here, look at that. I'm going to try to spill it. It absorbs automatically there. Look at that. So give it a couple seconds, and we're going to test it out, see how well it works. So let's go ahead and remove this completely out. So we're going to see if it penetrated. You guys can see that. Nothing. This is perfect. This is what we want. So we don't want to spill anything. Make sure you grab it. And look at that, clean as we left it before. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.